Alright, using my GoPro. I'm waiting for the wire harness, then I could install this into my 03 Expedition. This is a Pioneer MHV-S522BS. And I'm going to be installing it in here. And I already got migrated my sound system for my Kia in here. So I'm going to do a little build series on... I already got the install kit in here. So all I have to do is just wire this in and boom. So I'll be back as I'm going to later on as I'm going to start recording using my headband. Thank you for watching for now. See you in the next clip. Alright, so got the harness in. So now, time to do some basic coloration, and I'll go ahead and get to work on hooking this up. So let's go for first. Let's start out with red. So the harness does fit. So I'll be back as I'm gonna go ahead and do this off camera. Alright, everything's all wired up, so now it's time to hook the stereo up. Damn, what a mess. Come on. Took this in. And look, we got stereo action. I'm hoping that my amp powers up because I hooked the amp up too. There's a faceplate for now, and deal with the stereo. God, it's a different story. A lot easier to put this in than with the stereo. Not in any ways a professional, but wow, this is probably one of the most pain in the ass things I ever did. Installs I ever did. Okay, now stereo. Okay, why is this being a pain in the ass now? Oh, I know. Just gotta bend these in. Alright, so now, accessory. Make sure the amp is on. got good ground, but and I got my camera down, didn't I? Let's see, what time is it? Currently 4. Let's just go for 4:41. Speaker mode standard, yes, yes. Initial. Let's just go for subwoofer for now. Set, scroll set, beat tone, info, auxiliary, demo off, yes. Maybe you find new ground. Oh, that's on. Sweet. Alright, so source, Bluetooth, it's still acting up, fuck. Oh well. Connecting. See, I'm gonna connect app. Oh, I need an app. There we go.
Growing up in Cali, yeah, you know I love the weather. Long lines hit 'em and you know I hate the pressure. I do what I want, so I'm never saying never. I do what I want, so they call me go-getter. Yeah, I know he does it good, but you know I do it better. So misunderstood, if she wanted, then I let her. Everybody knows if I want her, then I get her. She gave me that look, yeah, she knows she thinks I'm clever. I don't think I do it good, no, I think I do it great. They would do it if they could, they can't do it, so they hate. Everybody wanna look, but nobody wanna play. Stealing eyes like a crook while I put it on display. I don't do it by the book, no, I do my own thing. That's why every single hook got them singing like me. And I ain't in any rush, cause I'm finally getting paid. Don't believe in any luck, I believe I'm self-made, yeah.